Hello friends, how are you? So again I am here for the next chapter, that is lesson 4 of your book First Flight from the Diary of Anne Frank. Students, you have already heard this name Anne Frank, and you can see movie on it. Movie is also there on this Anne Frank. This chapter is just an extract of his novel. In this tract, we'll see how a teacher-student relationship should be. Before to begin this chapter, I'll tell you some introduction of the brief past of Anne. Anne was a Jewish girl. There were 4 members in his family, and the 5th one is her grandma. She was having an elder sister, Margot, her parents, and her grandma. So, with 4, her 5th one is her grandma. They were Jewish and living in Germany. But as we see, at the time, this was the time of 1942. At that time, Second World War broke out. Hitler, who was in Germany, had just gave orders to kill all the Jewish people. So, this Jewish family hid himself into Amsterdam. They went to Amsterdam and they hid themselves in her father's office. For 2 years they spent. So this was just a brief introduction of her family, that how they treated during Second World War, but after 2 days they were searched by the Germans and they were sent to the concentration camp. Now, what do you mean by concentration camp? Concentration camp is a camp where slavery system was there. All the slaves has to work hard and little to eat. So this was the life of Anne. But friends, we'll see this chapter. In this chapter, we'll see that Anne, how she was in her class, how was her relation with the teachers. Now, this is an autobiography of Anne. She is saying that there were 9 teachers in her school. Out of them, 7 were females and 2 were male. She was good at studies except maths. She was not good at maths. Why? Because the teacher, Mr. Keesing was the name of her maths teacher. Keesing always unhappy with Anne. Why? Because Anne was very much talkative girl, and because of her talkative behavior, the teacher was always annoyed. So just to make him silent, teacher gave him to write an essay as a punishment on chatterbox. Now Anne, who want to prove that talking is necessary for her, she wrote very good essay on chatterbox, that talking is a very good trait. It is a skill, and I got it from my heredity. My mother is too much talkative, so I am also talkative, and talking is as essential as her other needs. Now Miss Anne, Mr. Keesing, when got this answer, he was not too happy. Another day, he gave him her another essay to write another, one more essay on this topic. In this way, 3 times he gave her this punishment of writing an essay. When he was given the 3rd time by saying this, then this girl was unhappy because now she don't have much ideas about the same topic. But her friend who helped her writing in a poetic way that yes, talking is really good. This made Mr. Keesing laugh, and also Mr. Keesing, who want to change this girl and change himself because of her talking behavior, because of her writing in such a way that Mr. Keesing changed himself, and he never get annoyed in future. So friends, what do you learn from this chapter? From this chapter we can learn that we should be very much obedient of doing our homework daily, as same as Anne. Mr. Keesing, who didn't love and who didn't like Anne, changed himself because of Anne's obedient behavior. Second thing is this, that Anne, who bought a diary as a gift on her 13th birthday, was started writing in diary. So she was just 12 years old, 13 years old when she started writing a diary, and this became her habit to write in diary, and this will improve her writing skill. So friends, develop this skill. It will improve your writing and thinking skill, and you will develop yourself. So get ready to write diary right from today. Write your thoughts. This will improve your linguistic skills, and you can able to write very perfectly. So thank you friends. Thank you.